So in this video, I'm going to show you a very quick way to make yourself $100 or more a day. Now, here it is. As you look behind me, notice what I have on my background, right? As the screening, as the virtual background, I have buy me a coffee. Now, here's the cool thing about the buy me a coffee link. This is what I did. I grabbed the buy me a coffee logo right there. And then I grabbed a QR code that I made in Canva and I put my buy me a coffee link. Now, buy me a coffee, if you haven't seen it, it's like Patreon. It's like, the tip jar that they have at PayPal or whatever, right? So what I did is I decided to use it as my virtual background. Now, of course, you can't use this in every meeting, right? Because that just would be inappropriate. But in certain meetings, let's say you're doing some, free giveaway, or you're just having a meeting with some people, and you give them an opportunity to make you some money, right? That's the key, right? So now this came out of a criticism actually by a very good friend of mine, somebody that I know, like, and trust. They would say, man, the background that you have on here every time we see you on Zoom is too busy. And I'm going to show you that here in a second. But the background was of service to me because I'm a practitioner. I'm always working, something out, putting something on the board. And then I use it sometime in my marketing when I'll say, hey, listen, I'm a practitioner. This is what I do. I'm working in the lab every single day to help you, monetize your life. And, that's what I do here at the Monetize Your Life show. And I do this stuff all the day long, right? So I had it on the board, but they kept telling me, yeah, but it's distracting because I'm looking past you and I'm looking at the board. So that made sense. So I thought, well, what can I do? Because I do marketing all the time. So what would be an opportunity to earn, if not from the board itself? What else could I do? And that's when I decided to create this virtual background that is QR coded to go right over to my buy me a coffee link. And let me tell you, I've been making a pile from this, right? And it's because something that I'm doing all day long anyway, especially if I'm giving something away, right? I have these times where I just give, and I don't ask for anything in return, or I don't ask for my normal hourly rate. I'll just say, hey, buy me a coffee. And now that it's up on the screen, people get a chance to see it. They literally take out their phone, they scan the code, and they buy me some coffee. You can make yourself a lot of money doing this stuff. Some people are making six figures, not necessarily doing it this way. This is just my way as a marketer, as a person that does this stuff all the time. This is my way of doing it. Now, if you like this information, I'm going to ask that, hey, let's make that algorithm, let's make YouTube the algorithm go crazy, right? Hit the, like, put in the comments what you're thinking. If you got some other ways, subscribe to the channel. I love to have subscribers to the channel, right? So do all that stuff, hit the bell notification. I put these videos out every single week, some way that I'm showing you how to monetize and make money from your life. This is just one of them. Now imagine it for a minute, how you can use something like this in your own work. Go to Canva, grab the QR code, put in a link to your buy button. I'll leave information in the description field that if you want to go ahead and honor what I'm doing here today, helping you out, because this right here could make you money like immediately. If you want to go ahead and honor that, hit in the description field. I'll have how you can sign up to buy me a coffee yourself. And of course, I'm going to leave the buy me a coffee link. Or of course, you could just pull out your phone and scan the code. All right, everybody. I hope this goes out and helps you make some money immediately, because with something like this, something super duper easy, you can be making $100 or more a day. Go get that money, and let's talk soon.